Hello guys, in this series we are making $1 million on YouTube. Here I'm sharing all my experience, everything that I discover on this journey with all of us, and we can grow together. Today we are at 0.058% and our total revenue is close to $600. This is day 53. Our expenditures are at $133. We have invested in Ripple, but we have lost some money, and our AdSense revenue is $586. That makes our profits $421. These are all of our investments. $61 for this microphone that I'm using right now, and we have invested in Ripple cryptocurrency. Why did we invest in cryptocurrency? Because this kind subscriber of ours just suggested that in our video comment section. So that's why we launched this top comment of the day section, where we are featuring the best comments from the previous video, and we are answering them or implementing them if they suggest any ideas in the next video. So if you have any ideas or suggestions, just leave them in the comments, or if you don't but you would still want to contribute, you can go to the comment section and like the most interesting ones. So let's jump into the YouTube studio so we can see where are we standing today. Our subscriber count is at 2,193 subscribers, and let's see some more statistics. So in the last 28 days we received 96,000 views, 1.2 thousand watch time hours, and 364 subscribers. Our estimated revenue for the last 28 days is $307. Let's see some more stats, some real-time stats from the last 48 hours. These are the most popular videos from the last 48 hours. These videos received the most views, and these are the top videos from the last 60 minutes. So yeah, as you can see, there is some overlap. Some of these videos are also present on the 48-hour chart, but there are a few other videos that are blowing up right now in these 60 minutes. Let's see some revenue stats as well. Our estimated revenue, as I mentioned, $307. Our RPM is $4.05 right now. Our monthly revenue, as you can see, for March it was only $44 because we've got monetized in the end of March, so that's why we had just only, I think, 4 days monetized. April was 318 and May was 223. So that's where we stand right now so far, and obviously our total revenue is 586, as I mentioned before in the previous slides. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful or at least interesting for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.